Hello, my name is Mark Dolinar. I'm an applications engineer here with Hawkridge Systems. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at how we can rotate a previously created sketch. In this particular example, we're going to be working with a model that was set up by one user, and another user came in and created a complex sketch. However, the sketch that was created does not align with the model shape. We can try to manipulate the sketch as is by simply dragging on points, and you'll notice that, well, it doesn't allow us to actually move those points. I can also try and add a horizontal relationship directly in the middle of the sketch to line up that sketch line, but yet again, it ends up with issues for our particular part. If this is the case, what we'll have to do is actually modify the sketch utilizing the Modify Sketch tool. In order to do this, we'll first edit the desired sketch. Next, we'll go to the Tools drop-down menu, select on Sketch Tools, and then Modify. The Modify tool will appear, giving us three main options on how we would like to manipulate this particular sketch. First, we can choose to scale the entire sketch, and by scaling we can either choose to scale around a origin point, or we can select a movable origin. With either of these options, the selected point will not move, and the rest of the sketch will scale in order to accommodate our scaled factor. We also have the ability to translate the sketch from left to right. Also, we can use the position selected point, which allows us to simply drag the sketch to our desired area without having to type in any values. But in this particular example, all we'll be doing is rotating the sketch. I can simply select inside the Rotate dialog box, type in my desired angle, and after that's done, SOLIDWORKS will take the existing sketch, rotate it into our position, and allow us to continue on with our design. Now that this is complete, we'll have our sketch in place, and I can continue on with my modeling by adding additional features into our part. I'd like to thank you for watching this video, and please make sure to like and subscribe to the Hawkridge Systems YouTube channel for more educational content such as this.